On the side naman of the bench, Rafi Uribe is also talking to the
Fourth
guys and
quarter.
them on their place. Balik muna sa inyo, Chef.
Thank you so much, Ella. Well, there's 9 minutes.
Lakas talaga ni
for what they have allowed
RHJ
to build, which is a
okay, bumba.
Right now. Pero ang hirap sa ilalim mo doon para sa Magnolia. But they're going
RHJ talaga hawak ng bola.
Ratliff and Sangala. They really want to be able to crash the boards, get offensive rebounds.
Oy, labas. Diyan pa rin si ano, Herndon na ito.
They're very patient with their offense right now. And look how well they're spacing.
Okay, defensive.
As we say spacing, nagkakit.
Hindi yung baka sa ano niya, harang niya eh.
And it results in offensive
labas ka ngayon.
And that's the fourth foul of TNT. Wala pa itong Magnolia. And I kept mentioning it. Magnolia has been giving up a lot of free throws. But here in the fourth quarter, 14 fouls for TNT, none for Magnolia. 8.5 minutes though. If you're Magnolia, you want to capitalize on that opportunity as Anisi ayaw talaga mahulog ng mga tira niya. Jeric is 0 for 4.
Tangkad kasi no?
Nasig mo ka. Nasig mo yun.
Oh, 3 point pa.
Sinukat yung 3. Doesn't get the bounce.
Pinsibo.
Had to battle 2 blue shirts. And
sportsman.
Foul.
Sportsmanship lang.
Anisi will be called for that one. Mukhang natulak niya si Pugoy.
Ball na yun, wapa na.
Kinapitan niya pala. Baliktad. Oo. Kasi hinahabol ni Pugoy yung bola. Which is, sayang because the reason why Pugoy was going after it because it would have been Magnolia ball. Well, that's usually their reaction. Di ba pag hindi ka naka-box out eh? Or naunahan ka. Wallace Jefferson, there's the spin, the jumper. He just has so many tricks up his sleeve. He's got a lot of moves. He's good at dribbling. Conference, dati sa gitna lagi. But now the jump will happen kung saan nearest nangyari yung na-challenge na tawag. And Magnolia wins it. So, great stop by Rick Ratliff. Nasumosa yung nahabol ni Razon. Punta kay Sangala. Ronde ang napunta sa kanya. Lots of pop movement. Lastimosa. Dancing with Kubundin. Jerome.
Grabe siya kabilis. Slam dunk ka dyan. Walang takot, no?
Just aware. There were 2 guys, one on his left, one on his right. But he saw they were quick, so he elevated and just dumped that basketball. 12 na naman, or 12 na, ang damang ng TNT.
Baroka 3 point. Wala, kinapos.
No good rebound taken by Razon. TNT looking to leave Magnolia in its rear view mirror of Tanaw miss. Naghanap siya ng foul doon. Referees say incidental contact. Ratliff cross court. They go to Sanggalang.
Sanggalang for 2 points.
Ball movement creates good opportunities, creates better looks. That time, Sanggalang knocking down that 5-footer. Is that 5? Maybe.
RDC dribbling the ball.
All I know is not a 1-footer.
Grabe oh. Jump shot. Grabe.
That looks like a lick. You know,
lupit.
They're giving him the basketball now, right? Parang they're like, okay, RHJ, oras mo na. Ikaw na. Si Oftana nga, hindi masyado na nakakahawak. But he has this spark. Lastimosa from the
Supalpal ka pa.
Lastimosa hits! Well, they need that spark.
Bago Lastimosa yan ah.
He's been very
anak ni Judo Lastimosa siguro, no?
every time he's come and played.
Sino tap?
Lastimosa?
Judo Lastimosa?
Oo.
Mutlang.
Using the
mag-anak niya.
Sanggalang outguarding RHJ. This might be an advantage for the import of
Tana 3 point.
At that time, kita mo silang dalawa. Nagkakaabuyan talaga sila eh. Understanding who has the advantage. Good pass!
Uy, palpal no? Hindi niya binumba muna.
Abueva still has 7 made 3-point shots.
Tumawag ka man ng karaan.
12 now.
Yung sa ano,
With
yung TV.
36 points.
Yung TV doon pa, tapos ililipat
Tsaka
lang.
all in all,
Ah,
very efficient.
TV, projector.
Hindi ko
Oh,
makontak.
miscommunication there defensively.
Projector yun.
Boy, Era
Projector.
Ventana.
Lipat.
That
Ayos.
POV play.
Yung malaki.
Now Magnolia work to perfection.
Nilipat na naman.
Baseline inbound. Nalingat lang si Erab, nawala na si Raptor. The lead is at 7. Blackwater versus Meralco naman sa second game.
Okay, tomorrow games.
Ang Pasko.
December 12, 2024.
Dito sa PBA
At Pinoy Aquino
Commissioner's
Studio.
Cup,
Uy!
you'll see here tomorrow.
Mayroong laro bukas. Ang ganda naman doon.
All the way till Saturday.
RTN lakas.
Monday Hollis Jefferson. Sila ni Calvin Ofrana nagtambalan to score 74 points. Silang dalawa lang po yan.
May magamantay siya. Gahe ay sabi.
Ofrana pinapahirapan ni Baroka. Nagpanggaan Abueva and Baroka and a foul called on Abueva. Baroka natawagan.